Welcome to Usiweb videos, where today we're diving into the wonderful world of Santa hats for adults. These aren't just any Santa hats. They're a mix of classic charm and modern flair. Whether you're hosting a Christmas party or just want to feel festive, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore various styles, materials, and where to find them. So, get ready to add a touch of Christmas magic to your wardrobe. Before we jump into the details, remember you can check out these hats using the link in the description. This link will take you to a selection of the best Santa hats available online. From plush velvets to sparkly designs, there's something for every taste. Whether you're buying for yourself or as a gift, these hats are sure to spread holiday cheer. So don't forget to check them out and find your perfect festive accessory. Let's start with the classic red and white Santa hat. It's a timeless piece that instantly brings the Christmas spirit. These hats come in various materials, from soft fleece to luxurious silk. Some even have added features like LED lights or jingle bells for extra fun. No matter your style, the classic Santa hat is a must-have in your holiday collection. Moving on, we have the trendy and chic Santa hats. These are perfect for the fashion-forward individuals. Think sequins, patterns, and even fur-trimmed designs. They're a great way to make a statement at any holiday event. If you're looking to stand out this Christmas, these hats are the way to go. For those who love DIY and crafts, why not customize your own Santa hat? You can add personal touches like your name, glitter, or themed patches. This is a fun activity to do with family or friends, and it adds a personal touch to the holidays. Plus, it's a great way to create memorable keepsakes. Imagine each year bringing out your personalized Santa hat. It's a tradition in the making. Now let's talk about comfort. The best Santa hats aren't just stylish, but also comfortable to wear for long periods. Look for hats with soft linings and adjustable sizes. This ensures they fit well and won't cause any discomfort during those long holiday gatherings. Sustainability is also key. More and more we're seeing Santa hats made from eco-friendly and sustainable materials. This is a great way to enjoy the festive season while being kind to the planet. These hats are not only stylish, but also demonstrate a commitment to environmental responsibility. Don't forget about the kids. While today's focus is on adult Santa hats, matching sets for the whole family are a wonderful idea. Imagine the adorable family photos with everyone in coordinated Santa hats. It's a cute and fun way to celebrate the holidays together. If you're planning a Christmas party, Santa hats can be a great party favor. They set a festive mood and get everyone in the spirit of the season. Plus, they make for great photo opportunities, creating lasting memories of your event. For those who enjoy a bit of luxury, there are high-end Santa hats available. Made from premium materials like silk or cashmere, they add a touch of elegance to the holiday attire. These hats are perfect for upscale holiday events, or as a special gift for someone who loves the finer things in life. Let's not forget the fun factor. Some Santa hats come with humorous designs, like ones that play music or have funny sayings. They're great for office parties or casual gatherings and are sure to get a laugh. The versatility of Santa hats is amazing. They can be worn at various events, from casual family gatherings to formal Christmas parties. This makes them a great investment for the holiday season, as you can wear them to multiple events. For those who are crafty, there are kits available to make your own Santa hat. This can be a fun project and allows you to customize the hat to your liking. It's also a great way to spend a winter evening engaged in a festive activity. Santa hats aren't just for wearing, they can also be used as decorations. Place them on top of your Christmas tree, hang them around your home, or use them as table centerpieces. This is a creative way to incorporate them into your holiday decor. Speaking of decorations, why not throw a Santa hat-themed party? Encourage everyone to wear their unique Santa hats. It's a fun theme that will surely make your party memorable and full of festive spirit. For those who love to match their outfit with their accessories, there are Santa hats available in various colors and designs. You can find a hat that matches your Christmas sweater or your party outfit. This is a great way to create a coordinated and festive look. Let's also talk about the history of the Santa hat. It's a symbol with a rich history and cultural significance. Understanding its origins can add depth to your appreciation of this festive accessory. There's also an increasing trend of Santa hats in corporate settings. Some companies are embracing the festive spirit by allowing employees to wear Santa hats during the holiday season. It's a simple way to spread cheer in the workplace. For the fitness enthusiasts, why not incorporate Santa hats into your holiday workouts? They can add a fun element to your gym routine or your outdoor runs. Just make sure to choose a hat that's snug and won't fall off during your activities. In addition to traditional stores, there are many online retailers where you can find Santa hats. Online shopping offers a wider variety, and you can easily compare prices and styles from the comfort of your home. With the increasing popularity of virtual celebrations, wearing a Santa hat can add a festive touch to your online get. Whether it's a family call or a virtual office party, a Santa hat can make it more fun and engaging. Don't forget, Santa hats are not just for Christmas. They can be worn for other winter festivities or as part of a costume for a themed party. Their versatility makes them a fun accessory for various occasions. As we wrap up, remember that Santa hats are more than just a festive accessory. They're a symbol of joy, celebration, and the spirit of giving. Wearing a Santa hat is a simple way to spread happiness and goodwill during the holiday season. We hope this video has inspired you to find your perfect Santa hat. Remember to check out the link in the description for a great selection. Whether you go for a classic design or something more unique, a Santa hat is a fantastic addition to your holiday wardrobe. Thank you for watching Usiweb videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the festive cheer together. Happy holidays, and see you in our next video.